Pettibon system offers a variety of different fulcrums for your spinal correction needs. The uncovered Fulcrum Kit has everything you need to get started with your spinal molding and fulcrum exercises. The Fulcrum carrying bag makes it convenient to take your foam with you to your chiropractic appointments or while traveling. The cervical dorsal fulcrum targets the curvature in your neck. This fulcrum can help with neck pain and headaches, and works to correct forward head posture. The low back support fulcrum targets the natural curvature of your lumbar spine. This fulcrum can be used for spinal molding, fulcrum exercises, or added to any chair for increased lumbar support. The advanced low back fulcrum, also known as the lumbodorsal, is designed to be used laying down and provides a more intense lumbar stretch. This fulcrum is used for advanced spinal molding and lumbar fulcrum exercises. The lifters are available in the 1-inch or 2-inch size. They are used to add height and intensity to your stretch. Simply place the lifter under your fulcrum.